Thank you very much, the media team. That is none other than the KYEMA TV. My name is Kasigas Francis, and by God's grace, I happen to be the interim guild president of this mighty institution, the Uganda Technical College KYEMA. First of all, some of you may ask me why I'm carrying a broom and some of the people are carrying brooms, but as the Uganda Technical College KYEMA, we decided to observe the National Cleaning Date, and that is this Saturday. We started by mobilizing people to come to clean. Though our attendance is not so good, it was so abrupt. So I thank for those who have abided to come and join the cleaning team. It has been so good, though we have lacked some cleaning materials like gloves and brooms. It's my request to either the administration or to the district that if the district could provide some cleaning materials to communities, such that communities can always observe such a day. As the Uganda Technical College KYEMA, we have our media team, which is on TikTok, YouTube, and other media channels. So I encourage all students, the outside people, to subscribe on our YouTube channel, that is none other than KYEMA TV. On the other hand, I encourage students to always clean where they reside. Cleaning, it's not a crime. It's not a burden to everyone. They say a clean mind in a clean environment. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for listening. I remain Kasigas Francis, the interim guild president, Uganda Technical College KYEMA.
Thank you so much, whoever is watching us there on UTC KYEMA YouTube channel. My name is Karanga Gabriel, the interim guild speaker. First of all, I want to thank my members for the turn up. For sure, we never expected this, but the number, some are good also. All of them, they have not turned up, but I want to thank you very much for the cooperation and for working hand in hand with us. I thank the media team for that spirit. Thank you very much. And I have very few words to say about it. Thank you so much. And whoever is watching us there, if you land on a video, please try to like and share, then you comment. I remain as Karang Gabriel, interim guild speaker.